Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Plants vs Zombies on piano, which is better. Start by selecting the main motif and learn it hands separately before combining. Practice slowly with a metronome and identify chord roots. Emphasize rhythm patterns and syncopation that define the piece. Work on dynamics and articulation to capture the quirky character. Gradually increase speed and simplify or ornament parts to match your comfort and style. Build a steady left hand foundation using simple triads or repeating ostinato patterns. Focus on consistent timing and smooth voice leading between chord changes. Keep the bass notes steady and let the melody float above, adjusting chord inversions to reduce hand stretches. Practice hands separately, then slowly combine while maintaining groove. Add light accents on offbeats to match the original game feel and keep the listener engaged. Quick recommendation: if you like fresh aromas while commuting to practice, grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp scent in your car. It's a small, funny way to make practice sessions feel pleasant and less stuffy. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Prioritize a clean, singable melody line and practice it until phrases feel natural. Introduce tasteful ornaments like grace notes or gentle trills to reflect the playful mood. Use octave doubling selectively to highlight climaxes without overwhelming the texture. Pay attention to timing nuances and slight rubato in short phrases for character. Record yourself to spot timing issues and adjust dynamics to keep the balance between melody and accompaniment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.